Times Auto Expo again. We came yesterday too. This is my friend Alandar here. So he runs a website called Driver Cult. The link is down below. They review cars and also be sure to check it out. So we came yesterday too, but unfortunately I just got my vlogging camera yesterday. It's the Sony WX500. I was not really aware of any of the settings, so the video came out a bit jittery and so I've changed the codec. Let's see how it is. So it's day 2. Let me tell you beforehand, it's a very boring expo. It is a very boring expo. I've just come here to test my camera. There's just 1 or 2 supercars inside, and again we're not sure if they're there too. But the only point is just to give you some sample footage which is shot in AVHCD. So let's go ahead, check out what's inside. So we just entered the venue. There's not much here. As you can see in the beginning, we have a stall by Honda, and there is a stall by Tata. By Honda and Tata. Alandar, please, I'm not गाड़ियों के बारे में तो नहीं मालूम. Cars is your department, please.
Not Honda and Tata.
Okay, so we'll just go ahead. Yesterday's footage I can't really put it up because I shot quite some footage yesterday, but it didn't come out so well.
I think the unveiling is going on at the back at Jaguar.
So let's go ahead, check it out. Standard stall by Honda. Most of them are Indian manufacturers. The locally manufactured cars here. There's a stall by Tata. Blah, boring. Blah, boring. Here we have the Hyundais. Opposite to the Hyundais, we have the Renaults. Boring. I already told you guys it's gonna be boring, so please. The honk works, surprisingly. There we have the stall by Toyota. Again, I was expecting to see a Supra. We'll have to make do with an Altis and an Etios and another Etios with a boot. God knows what it's called. So I hope the footage is coming out good. I have my little hand stabilizer thing also attached to the camera. And let's go ahead and check out some bike stalls. What's hai, Mama?
Triumph, KTM,
Harley Davidson. So what all do we have here? We have a Street 750. That's the breakout. So I met another one of my friend here. And he's going to be showing us around a little bit of the bikes. Kaun se hai bhai?
Then we got a breakout here.
Okay, that's a beautiful
Very
breakout.
good cruiser. Then we got custom 1200.
This is the 1200, huh?
Yes. So custom 1200. Then we got an Iron 83 over there.
That is also customized?
No, it's
Stock.
Iron 83, and again we got a Street with a Screaming Eagle exhaust.
And the RC 390 200. I was expecting a Super Duke here. Nahi hai lekin. Scooters. Some scooters. Let's go ahead, go on to the more interesting things. Here we have Triumph. That's
This is a
Rocket
Rocket 3.
3, Street Triple. Here some. Blah. Not a big fan of it. Again we have the Suzuki Nexa stall.
Boss.
The Baleno. I was expecting to see a Baleno RS. RS nahi aayi nahi abhi. Still not yet launched. And opposite to this we have Nissan. We have the Terrano. S-Cross, standard stuff. Suzuki. The boring 150 SF, followed by the red Peregrine Falcon Hayabusa. There's a quad bike as well. 2 of them actually. And to the back. Hello.
What's up?
How are you? Just met yet one more subscriber.
Shivakumar Kumpmala.
Nice meeting you, boy. Nice meeting you.
Pleasure, bro.
It's always a pleasure to meet my subscribers and content सही तो रहता ना, बोर तो नहीं होता ना.
हाँ ना, बोर तो नहीं रहता.
So carry on.
Thank you.
The Gixxer 1000 Street Fighter. Lovely. So there was a Murcielago which was supposed to come today, but unfortunately it didn't come. We have a Range Rover Discovery here. followed by the Jaguar XE. So I believe today is the launch of the new XF. Not sure at what time, but I don't think I'll be sticking around for that amount of time. As you can see, the venue is all set. The car is up there on the stage. Let's go ahead to Driven and AR Rap stall. So we have Imran Zain's stall, AR Raps. So he's the guy who does all raps for all the exotic cars and bikes. Assalamualaikum Imran. Hi guys. So this is Imran Zain. He's the guy who does all the raps for almost all the exotic cars and bikes here in Hyderabad. So again, his link is also in the description down below. So today we have some of the cars. Murcielago was supposed to come in, but unfortunately couldn't make it due to circumstances. There's a GTR over there. I'll just show you a bit around the GTR and the Porsche. And here we have a beautiful A-Class. कौन सा कलर है भैया?
Wrapped in orange blaze.
Orange Blaze.
We did the crown lining on that.
Okay.
You can see that lining. That's called Tron wrap.
Okay.
And we changed the logo of Mercedes to a Princess logo. You can see the engraved work also.
Okay. So this is the
called
engraved.
engraved work.
Okay. So it's a girl's car.
It's a girl's car.
So it's even on the gas tank. Beautiful A-Class. Yeah, mashallah. And that is your bike.
Yeah, that's one.
That's a Yosang
Dubai gold.
gold chrome, huh? With a tinted tail light and all. So this is Imran Bhai's daily ride. Imran Bhai daily ये गाड़ी पे फिरते. It's a gold chrome Yosang.
Gold chrome.
It looks beautiful.
बचपन से gold पसंद था.
अच्छा. We'll go inside, check out the GTR.
Yeah, sure.
Let's go on in. This was also wrapped by Imran. It's in a beautiful shade of matte metallic as far as I can see. Imran starting the car for us. That's a beautiful display.
Yep.
Thank you very much, Imran bhai. I said I got a chance to sit in the car and today I could get a clear exhaust clip of the video. तो चलिए मगर और थोड़ा एक्सपीरियंस लेगा फिर आप. So apart from this, it's nothing much really. I just caught up with some friends here, met some subscribers here. I don't usually go to events because I find them very boring unless it is a ride or going out somewhere. So it was just a test for the camera. So anyways, that's about it. Rest all, this is boring cars. So until next time, bye bye, see you. मैं ज़रा हाथ में बताओ ना. कुछ तो भी बोलो यार. कुछ भी बोलो यार. तुम छुप जा रहे हो. चलो, see you, bye bye.